Hi, this is Kara from Team Sweethearts, and for our project, we created a custom Alexa skill. So the skill is called My Dishwasher. We created it using the Amazon Developer Console, which was an entirely new experience for me at least, and we learned about how to create a vocal user interface, otherwise known as a VUI. So let's take a look at it. This is what it looks like in the Alexa app. Every time I say Alexa, she wants to
I couldn't find any enabled video skills.
jump on.
Go to the Alexa app to find and enable video skills and devices.
So this is what it looks like when we tap on it. You can start the skill by saying those. So whenever you open the dishwasher, sometimes you can't remember if you ran it or not, or if the dishes are clean. And so it's great to have Alexa remember for you. And so let's go ahead and try it out. So Alexa, open my dishwasher.
Welcome back. I remember your dishes were dirty. Are they still dirty?
Yes, they are.
Okay, I will say the dishes are dirty.
Let's try one more time. Alexa, open my dishwasher.
Welcome back. I remember your dishes were dirty. Are they still dirty?
No.
Okay, I will say the dishes are clean.
All right, now let's tell Alexa. Alexa, tell my dishwasher the dishes are dirty.
I'll remember the dishes are dirty.
Thanks, Alexa. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.